Hello world, how's everyone doing? Today we are going to be messing with the UI button, and essentially, here's what we're going to do. We're going to program everything about the button. We're going to go and just program the button. We're not going to use the storyboard. So essentially, is what we're going to do is we're just not going to use the storyboard, but we're going to put a button in an app. So I'm gonna name this project. You can name it whatever, but I'm gonna name it Programming Objects. Save this because I will be using this this app and code in future videos. So make sure to save it. I might have a link to it in the description. I'll make sure to add that as well later on. Alright, so programming objects, you guys know we want Swift and iPhone. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to create the file. Alright, so the first thing we probably, actually no, we can actually just use the, the UI kit. We don't have to have any other stupid little things. The frameworks, man, I cannot think. So we're going to do this all on the view load here, which probably isn't the best way to do it, but it's the way that we have it kind of set up. And I'm just going to say button code here. Alright, so we're going to program a button here, so here it goes. We're going to start off by declaring a button called button, and then it is a UI button. And then we got to tell what type of button it is, and it is a UI button type dot system. So this is a system button, and then you got to put as UI button. It's just UI button. End it there. So we have our first part down. Now go. We need to edit our button a little bit. So button, I'm going to do frame equals, and we're going to do some simple geometry here. CG rect make. That's it. There we go. So now, as you can see here, you have these options. You have the X, the Y, the width, the height. So I hope you paid attention in geometry because you're going to be using it today. So go ahead and open up a bracket, and let's just go ahead and let's make everything 100s. Just to simplify it. So now we need to set. Let's go ahead and set a background color. So button dot background color equals UI color dot. Let's do a green color. And then we can also do button dot title. Let's do set title. So we haven't even done that yet. Set title. Open up a bracket, and we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna say press me. And then go ahead after that, put a comma. We're gonna continue this, and then we're gonna put for state, and then UI control state dot normal. I actually had to refer to the notes right there. That one's a little difficult. Let's go ahead and capitalize that so that we don't. There we go. And my dog's here, so I just want to make. I'm just double checking here to make sure we have this all right. Looks all right. So, all right. So we're gonna go ahead and finish this up here, and we're gonna do self dot view dot add subview, which would be the sender UI button. And we're just excited, so we're going to put an exclamation point. Just kidding. I think we need a space there. Nope. Actually, I don't even think we need that. Or do we? We may or may not. get an error. Oh, yeah, we're going to get errors right there. We're going to delete that. We're going to see if we can run it off of what we have right here. So, essentially, this should load up our button entirely. So, yeah. So, in next week's video, I'm going to try to do a video next week as well. We're going to be talking about how to add action to the button, and all from programming. We're not going to be using that storyboard at all. In fact, we will be using a function. So, let me try this out. So now we wait. Just waiting here for the iPhone. So, I haven't done a lot of videos recently, and I apologize. I really want to get onto it more, but I'm just a little slow at it. All right, so we have our app loading. Let's hope this works here. All right, still loading. So anyway, like I was saying, I'm hoping to do a couple more videos before the end of the year, but I know towards the end of the year, oh, we lost connection, my bad. We should be able to just click on it now, right? Because it's already been mounted. Alright, so we're missing the button. We're gonna go into the next tutorial somewhat, but we're gonna do button.add target, and then we're gonna do self, and then action. Then you got the selector action. We're gonna do, how about nil? For control events, UI control events, and then self.view.add subview button. Okay, let's try this now. So now this should be adding in the button. Oh, here we go. What do we do? Oh, 2 commas. My bad. All right. Expected member name. Let me see here. Oh, I forgot the touch up inside. Here we go. We're all good now. Alright, so there we go. We have our button right there. It's loaded. It doesn't do anything because we haven't created the action yet. We'll do that in our next video next week. Anyway, I'm gonna put this code in the description. So if you just want to hang around here, or if you want to click away, I'm not going to talk anymore about this. I'm just going to kind of talk about my future videos and why I haven't been posting. So I apologize that first that I haven't been posting a whole lot. A lot of stuff here going on. So I've just been busy with stuff. I was asked back in June on Twitter by someone for Spanish video tutorials, and let me tell you, we are working on that. We are working on Spanish tutorials. Here's the thing: I suck at Spanish, so I'm kind of having some people help me through this, and we're gonna see if I can speak Spanish well enough to do a basic Hello World tutorial, and hopefully maybe after that work into just you know, a little more complex things. Now, I'm not fluent in Spanish whatsoever. You know, give me a European language and I'll learn it, and I'll do fine in it. But Spanish, oh, that's something else. So, I mean, yeah, that's what I'm hoping to do here, just in the next couple of weeks or months or so. Anyway, I'm Cameron for Swift Devs. Thank you for watching this video.